There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my cat enjoying herself with a dirty sock. She was licking it earlier. That's some foul, nasty sock, girl, and you're loving it.
That's the funk. She's all up in that shit.
You nasty.
Look at that. Look
You
at that.
Oh, she loves it. She loves the dirty, stinky sock.
Oh, that's foul.
Get it, Alice. Get the stinky sock. Get it. Oh, my God. Look at her.
Oh, that's bad. Woo.
I'm going to take your sock. Oh, God. I don't even want to touch it. Ew.
Touch it. Touch it. You know you want to.
She loves daddy socks. Clean or stinky. Stinky man. Hey. I don't post this on Facebook. Stinky kitty. You love daddy's stinky socks? Yeah. You want it? Nah, she's done.
You done with it?
Say, I'm out. No, wait. Oh. What you gonna do? You want it? Are you? Oh, get that away! Get that away! Get it away! You got some sun today. Look at you. Oh gosh! All right. Oh, get it away! Get it away! Even she's like, help! All right.
It don't smell no worse than my sock.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what I do when he comes home and takes his socks off. That is a lovely candle melter. Make it smell beautiful. Oh, don't want to see that. That's on my eyes only.